The Rock&Rocker Electric Pressure Washer delivers a robust cleaning performance with a pressure output of 2,150 pounds per square inch, making it highly effective for removing stubborn dirt and grime. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles, this washer provides versatility for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks, from delicate surfaces to tough stains. The inclusion of a 16.9-ounce soap tank allows for a rich foam application, enhancing the cleaning power and efficiency for surfaces like cars and patios. The total stop system feature ensures the washer is energy efficient by automatically turning off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. And it includes a 35-foot power cord with inline ground fault circuit interrupter for safe usage. A 26-foot hose with a built-in reel simplifies storage and prevents kinks or damage, ensuring a smooth operation every time. Backed by CSA certification and a 1-year warranty, the Rock&Rocker Pressure Washer offers reliability and peace of mind to its users.